Here we will write a Python program to find largest among two numbers. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. For this we will accept two numbers from the user. So a equal to int input, enter first number, and in b we will accept second number. So b equal to int input, enter second number. Then we will compare value of a and b to find largest. So if a greater than b, we will print a is largest. Here we use format. So f largest among a and b is comma a. Else we will print largest is b. So else print f for formatting, largest among a and b is b. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 4, second number as 5. It will print largest among 4 and 5 is 5. If I again execute and I will give first number as 5, second number as 4, it will print largest among 5 and 4 is 5.